you ever noticed that a video about building a PC feels weirdly similar to a video about baking a cake? The pacing of the edit, the background music, even the thumbnail design. There's a certain formula to a YouTube video that's become so common, we almost didn't notice it anymore. But if you look closely, it's everywhere. So the question is why? Why do all the videos on YouTube feel exactly the same? This isn't just you, it's a phenomenon, a kind of a convergent evolution on the world's biggest video platform. As far as I can tell, it comes down to a few key factors that involve technology, psychology, and the mechanics of the platform itself. So let's see what they are. So first, you'd have to understand the system that every creator operates within, the YouTube algorithm. Its main goal is simple: keep viewers watching the video as long as possible. And to do that, it prioritizes a couple of key metrics. The first one is the click-through rate, which is basically the percentage of people who click on a video when YouTube shows it to them. That is why thumbnail and title meta are so specific: bright, high contrast images, clear, bold text, and faces with strong expressions. These things have been tested over billions of impressions and are proven to get more clicks. Second, and arguably more important than the first, is audience retention. How long do people actually stick around? This is where the internal structure of the video comes in. The fast-paced editing, the removal of every single pause or the constant background music, it's all designed to maximize engagement and to prevent you from having a moment of boredom throughout the video where you might click away. It's a fight for every second of watch time because the algorithm rewards it. But why do these techniques work on the users so well? And that comes down to a little bit of human psychology. The rapid cuts, the on-screen graphics, and the sound effects provide a steady stream of new stimuli. That's the novelty, and keeps the user's attention locked. But the format of the video is often highly predictable. You have the hook, you have the intro, you have the main points, and you have the conclusion. Humans inherently understand the structure, which creates a sense of cognitive ease. It makes the content easy to process. It's the same reason a pop song feels so familiar on the first listen, because the structure is already baked into our expectations. And the final piece of the puzzle are the tools. The reason a solo video creator like me might just look and feel just as polished as one from a major YouTube creator is the democratization of the production tools. Powerful editing software is now accessible and in some cases free. Services for stock footage and non-copyrighted music means thousands of creators are all pulling from the same library of assets. You can literally find the same background track on a video about tech and on a video about travel. This convergence of tools mean that high production value now has a very specific, consistent look and feel. This contributes a lot to the overall homogenization of the platform. So when we put it all together, what can we conclude? Well, on one hand, it feels like a lack of creativity, but on the other, it's like a necessary evil. The most efficient way to communicate ideas on this platform. The shared formula allows creators to focus more on the actual substance of their content rather than reinventing the format every single time. Now, the creators who are good enough can still find innovative ways and break the mold within this system. For the most part, this is the formula. A system built to satisfy the algorithm, appeal to our psychology, which is enabled by a common set of tools. So that's what I think. I am curious to hear what you have to say about it. Is there another reason why all the YouTube videos feel the same? Is there a part of this formula that you find useful or you just wish it might go away? Let me know in the comments below. And as usual, stay happy, stay healthy. I'll meet you in the next one.